Feeling lost in the sea of investing platforms? Let's cut through the noise and pit Moomoo against Questrade to find your perfect match in just 90 seconds. First up, commissions. Moomoo shines with its commission-free trading for US stocks, ETFs, and options. Questrade, while not entirely commission-free, offers competitive rates, particularly for Canadian stocks and ETFs, charging a small fee per trade. Now, investment options. Moomoo primarily focuses on US markets, providing access to stocks, ETFs, and options. Questrade offers a broader range, including Canadian stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and even precious metals. Let's talk platforms. Moomoo boasts a sleek, modern interface, especially on its mobile app, with advanced charting tools and real-time data. Great for active traders. Questrade provides a more robust web platform, packed with research reports and educational resources, catering to both beginners and experienced investors. Its desktop platform is more geared toward longer-term goals. Customer support is essential. Moomoo primarily offers support through an app, chat, and email. Response times can vary. Questrade provides phone, email, and chat support, often considered more comprehensive, especially for complex issues, but wait times can be longer. The verdict: Moomoo is ideal for active traders focused on US markets seeking a commission-free experience. Questrade is a better fit for diversified investors wanting access to Canadian markets and a wider range of investment options and more traditional customer support. Which platform wins for you? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more investing insights.